A patient presented to us with a congenital foot deformity. Her current orthotic had broken down on the lateral aspect, causing her foot to lack stability on the outer aspect of her foot. The foot had a dorsiflexed first ray with a strong inversion of the sole of her foot. Most of the pressure presented itself on the fifth metatarsal shaft and base. Her heel bone was not making contact with the ground and was raised an inch off the ground on weight-bearing and bare feet. We captured her foot in a foam box in semi-weight-bearing stance and scanned the box with our VoxelCare scanner. We designed the orthotic in the software with a depression for the fifth metatarsal base and shaft, increasing the heel thickness to allow support for her propped-up heel. In addition, we moved the lateral bottom line of the orthotic outward for maximum stability. Due to space restrictions in her footwear, we added only 1/16 inch Poron and 1/8 inch Plastizote to the top cover. The patient is reporting improved outer stability of her foot and ankle. Got questions? Post them below.